Can't wait.
Funny.
Gary, it's not your problem. I can't stop thinking about it. I've put the poor soul who's living there now under sentence of death.
Let's go looking.
No, I'm going to have to go back tomorrow morning.
But tomorrow's Tuesday.
If I don't tell him, I won't be able to live with myself.
If you do tell him, you might not be able to tell him at all.
It'll be okay. Look, I'll just nip back to the flat. Tell him to stay in bed. I'm not drop her.
Making sure to avoid skidding buses.
Quite.
I thought you said he was an estate agent.
Show me the phone, Ian. Show me the phone so people can see what he's watching. Right, go on, do it again.
Consultants, some reporters, and people called Kevin with company vectors. Don't do it. I'll be okay. You heard what the reporter said.
That is brilliant.
I don't live there
That
anymore.
is so funny. Go look up the taxi, Mel.
I wouldn't be prepared to risk my life in the hope that the Grim Reaper is intimate with the intricacies of the laws of landlord and tenant. Oh, God. Well, good luck.
Alright, go on then. Okay.
That's it.